I'm sure that, and if you are sure that you will win, I will be in Nairobi to be proud of receiving you. So nataka tu kuwauliza kwamba mjikaze kabisa, wale ambao mmeshinda, wale ambao mtaenda Nairobi, muweke bendera yetu iwe juu katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. And the cause for which this is being done is very noble. Because if you even look at as a county government, the amount of money that we have allocated to health is about 1 billion. And all this is meant to improve the health of our people, because everything else comes after that. You cannot do agriculture if you are unhealthy. You cannot do these other things when you are unhealthy. So even as a county, we have put our priorities in health. We are purchasing ambulances. We are doing everything possible to ensure that our people get medical services that are going to improve their livelihood. So this initiative, I'm sure, is one of those that will come to assist our people in Bungoma County. So I'm humbled by those of you who have tried your level best. I know some of you have discovered how unfit you are. Some of you have discovered yourselves that you are actually fit. Some of you participated in a walking race, although it was supposed to be a marathon. But we also want to thank you. At least you did something. At least you are moving. Some used to, one lesson that I learned was that people use various methods to reach here. Because there are some people that we were very sure we had beaten, but we saw them ahead of us. So I want to thank them that I think the end justifies the means. Like Machiavelli said, I think the end justifies, especially the ladies, they were very good at getting ahead of us. But we want to thank them for they tried so much. So I think without much ado, today is not my day, like you have been told. It is a day for the First Lady, the County First Lady. So this is her day, and I would like you to prepare yourselves to welcome her kwa makofi ya kilo moja. Tena, 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 funga, fungua, asante sana. Na wazee wale wako kule wakina na msasi, thank you so much. Na Fufi and the rest.